we are going to find the equation of the line, but we're going to put it in standard form. But it's easier if you put it in slope form first. So to write this, we need the slope and the y-intercept. Well, we have a slope. We know it's 9. It's the y-intercept, the b, that we have to find. So first, we're going to sub the ordered pair and the slope into our y equal mx plus b to find the b. So our ordered pair, our slope is 9. And our ordered pair is 1, 6. Remember, x first, then y. So we're going to have 6 equals 9 times our x of 1 plus b. So 6 equals 9 plus b. We're going to move our 9 over, so subtract 9 from both sides. So that's going to give us a -3 equals b. So we have our m equals 9 and our b equals -3. So we're going to write the equation in slope-intercept form, y equals 9x minus 3. But they don't want it in slope-intercept form. If they did, we would be done. They want it in standard form, so they want the x and the y on one side. So that just means we need to move that 9x over. So it's -9x plus y equals -3. So we subtract 9x from both sides. So that would be -9x plus y equals -3, and that's standard form. Here they're asking for the equation of the line, but I want to show you something. Notice how the x-coordinate in both ordered pairs is the same. So when that takes place, we know that that means x equals -7/12. So if your x is the same, that's going to give you the equation x equals whatever that number is, and that is going to be a vertical line. Because that means no matter what y is, x will always be -7/12. So you'll get a vertical line. And we can only do that when the x's are the same. This next problem, notice the y's are the same. So that means y equals 3. That's going to be our equation. Notice with this one and the one before it, you don't have an x and y in the equation. You just have the y, or in the last one, you just have the x. This is a horizontal line. And what it means is no matter what x is, y is always going to be 3. So you could have x is 0, y is 3. X is 12, y is 3. X is -6, y is 3. And that would be our horizontal line.